Hello guys, I know I'm looking crazy on this clip. I have a powder on one side of my face. I think I should just apply powder here. Hold on, please hold on. So today I'm going to be using Ardell Beauty. Yeah, nobody would tell me they don't know Ardell lashes, but if you don't know Ardell lashes, please, link will be at the description box for Ardell lashes. But they are not called Ardell Beauty because they not do beauty and lashes like the brand you just go in. You understand? So we have Ardell lashes, Ardell Beauty in the UK. So I put link of where you can get them at the description bar. But they just launched their new makeup and they gifted me a lot of them because I went for the launch. So I have a lot of Ardell makeup. So I'm going to use them on this clip today to show you guys, and they're available at Amazon at We Love Lashes. I'll link that at the description bar. They will be in more stores this month, March. So before this video is up, if they have more stores or more websites that they've launched this, I'll leave them at the description bar. If you live in the US, you already know Ardell lashes, you know Ardell Beauty, but I'll still leave the US link at the description bar. I wanted to say UK, so I just switched to US. Understand? So all the link will be at the description bar for this. Came up with eyeliner. They came up with like eyeliner, mascara. They came up with a lot of things. They came up with pencils. Like they are killing it, and these are super affordable. They are not like expensive. They have white liner. If you've been dying to have a white liner, they have a white liner. Their eyeshadows, they came up with matte and shimmer. So came up with another one which has like a complete set of your eyeshadow, your lip product and lashes. Yeah, let me just go ahead and start using this product because this is first impression. So the first thing I'm going to use is their eyeshadow primer. Comes in a tube form like this. They say it's a matte eyeshadow primer. It's silicone based eyeshadow primer. I think I should do my brows. Oh, this is silicone. I must tell you, this is smooth on the eyes. So for my base today, I use this Sleek Vitality foundation. This is new to Sleek makeup. I'll link that review up here if you guys want to watch it. And this is a brow eyeliner. Yes guys, you hear me right, this is a brow eyeliner. This guys is bulletproof. Like I applied this on my hand at the event, it refused to clean off. Say this is very easy to blend to apply, but it's giving me like a wavy brow. I don't know how to feel about this yet. Right now my two brows are not looking equal because I'm still trying to like find a way to use this product. My Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is drying up down. It's not even moving. And guys, while I was doing that, do you know my eyes was not moving? Like this primer, the primer by Ardell is dried. Oh my god, that is dry. I've seen something new. God, I've seen something new, guys. You know my eyes always crease. This is dried, bone dry. It is dry. So I'll go into the matte palette, which looks like this. This is the back of the palette. Then you take it out. This is good, and they have the cute note right here, which is really cute. And this is the matte palette. The shimmer looks like this. The shimmer palette. So I'll just go in between the matte and the shimmer and show you guys. pigmented. I'll just point the color. This brown shade right here. Oh, that's pigmented. You can see that, right? Even if I don't have a white base, that is showing up, and that is so pigmented. That is really pigmented. That is really smoky. This shade right here, it's like green, army green. I don't care, I'm using it at the outer V. Oh Lord, yeah. This eyeshadow is pigmented. I can actually see an eyeshadow on my eyes. Oh, this is lovely. I've not done the smoky eyes for a while. Yeah, that is beautiful. Try like that. Now, because I want to try out the shimmer, I could have just gone all matte on these eyes. But I want to try out the shimmer and see. No, not the red. I'll take the shade right here. No, it's not working. This one. I'm taking this one. This one right here. So I'm just using that color to just the almond green color, just blend this out. So I'll just apply a little bit of this white line on my waterline. Oh my god, this is pigmented because it's opened up my eyes really well. So I'll just like smudge it out a bit. I use a small blending brush. I'll take the traditional color. I'll blend that underneath my eyes. Black eyeliner. Everything I'm using is by Ardell. So I'll use this. Eyes. I don't know. I've just gone crazy with the eyes today. I'm so excited. My lashes. For lashes, I'll just be using some Ardell lashes, Ardell Wispies. I stack two together because I like them full. Yeah, I like full lashes. So I always put my used lashes. In here. These are all Ardell lashes. My Fit Me face powder by Maybelline. My face to remove all the powder effect. I'll just use my Marble Desque facial spray to do this. For mascara, I'm going to use this 2-in-1 mascara by Ardell. They came out with lots of mascara. There are lots of mascara. Let me show you another one. So like I said, this one is quite big. I like this one mostly for the top lashes. Top and bottom. They are top and bottom mascara. They have top and they have bottom. So I'm going to use the top first. Let's use the top first. This lashes is too fierce, but I'm going to wear it anyway. So this is pretty small. So I use this. Oh yes. This is, you need this in your life. And it dries really fast. Now for my lip, this palette right here is called Night Out palette because it has the lip product and it has some eyeshadow in there for you to use Night Out, and it has some lashes, so you can only take this when you are going out. Lipstick on this palette, I'll leave the name on the video. This one. This is a gel liner by Ardell. to apply gloss on top of this. Just use this Too Faced lip gloss. So to highlight my face, to make me glow even more, I'm going to take the Sleek highlighter. Yeah. That is the final look. Product I use from Ardell, by Ardell, from Ardell. This product are really nice. I like the eyes product. I like the primer. That eyeshadow primer, amazing, 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 amazing. The eyeshadow, the matte eyeshadow works really well. For the shimmer eyeshadow, there are some that will not work. You see, you have to like force it to work. But there are some that are really pigmented, like the one I like switch over to. The liner is nice. The product I use for my brows, the liner I use for my brows, it turned out really nice. But at first I was like, I was going to die. But it turns out really nice. And I must say, can you see that? There is no transfer. I like the Ardell product. Please check them out. I love the waterline, the white liner. They have a lot of liners that they came out with. Everything will be linked at the description bar, where to find them and some of the things that you need to get. And I must say, I'll keep on using some of the things because I have a full bag of them. So I'll be adding them to my makeup routine for you guys to see more of their product. So yeah, guys, that is it. Don't forget to check out the foundation review of this makeup. Will be linked at the description bar and somewhere on the video. Just click on it. Click. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already a subscriber. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.